Hi everyone. Welcome to SKLEARNING. Let's solve another DP-700 Microsoft Fabric question. Which object is required to implement row-level security, also known as RLS? Options are stored procedure, constraints, schema, or function. RLS is used to restrict data access based on the user. So we need something that can dynamically filter rows. The correct answer is function. RLS in Microsoft Fabric uses inline table-valued functions to filter data for each user. These functions define rules that control which rows a user can see. Stored procedure is for execution logic. Constraints are for data validation. Schema is just a structure container. So remember, RLS always works with functions or row filtering. If you learned something new today, like the video, share it with your developer friends, and subscribe to SKLEARNING for more smart learning. Happy coding!